Sigma males are individuals who go above and beyond what is expected and, as a result, typically reap a sizable reward. But what exactly distinguishes Sigma males from the rest of the pack? In this video, we'll look at the unique characteristics that distinguish Sigma males, as well as learn what you can do to start developing these traits and achieve the same Sigma male results in your life. Before we proceed, please help me grow the Sigma Brains channel by subscribing and sharing this video. Thank you. Here are the 7 exceptional qualities that set Sigma males apart. Number 1. Sigma males are competitive. While some people are content with putting in the bare minimum of effort, Sigma males have a strong desire to excel. This desire originates within. It is a part of who they are. Sigma males must put forth their best effort in everything they do if they are to succeed. Sigma males are unsatisfied with participation awards. They must triumph. This is what motivates them every day. Their competitive nature is advantageous because they will always strive for a competitive advantage. Number 2. Sigma males are strategic. Sigma males understand the importance of making the necessary preparations and developing a solid plan of action because of their competitive nature and need to win. Sigma males take decisive and purposeful actions to achieve their goals. Sigma males are rarely found shooting from the hip. Their actions are well thought out and supported by sound reasoning. They understand what works and what does not. Sigma males play to win, and having a solid game plan is essential to their long-term success. Number 3. Sigma males demonstrate self-control. We've all been to a networking event and been tempted to stay for just one more drink, or we've gone out with friends to celebrate an occasion and felt peer pressure to keep the party going. Sigma males understand that one more drink can quickly turn into 3 more drinks, and staying out for an extra hour can quickly turn into an all-nighter, resulting in a world of pain and regret the next day. Knowing one's values and establishing priorities are necessary for practicing self-control. While Sigma males may disappoint a few friends from time to time, it keeps them primed for peak performance. Rather than seeing it as a necessity to make sacrifices, Sigma males view it as a necessity to prioritize their goals. Priorities necessitate commitments, which entails saying no to activities that will ultimately derail or impede progress. Number 4. Sigma males are solution-based. Have you ever met someone who seemed to overcome obstacles and difficulties with ease while others continued to knock their heads against the wall? One of the key characteristics that distinguish Sigma males from others is their approach to problem solving. Rather than devoting time and energy to discussing the actual problem or how they feel about it, they devote their energy to finding a solution. Sigma males understand that idling around and complaining about the situation or attempting to apportion blame will never solve the problem. The only way to solve the problem is to concentrate on figuring it out. Number 5. Sigma males are resolute. The road to excellence is paved with skeptics, pessimists, and critics who will try to break your spirit and demolish your dreams. To overcome these challenges, Sigma males have learned to keep their beliefs firm and their efforts consistent. Sigma males do not give credence to other people's criticisms, nor do they allow non-believers' statements to shake their resolve. Regardless of the odds, setbacks, or what others say, they remain strong and committed. When Sigma males truly believe, in their hearts in a particular course of action, they remain steadfast in their pursuit until the goal is attained. Number 6. Sigma males make connections. Sigma males understand the importance of connecting with others who share their values. They understand how to find and align with the right people to collaborate and share ideas to advance their efforts and achieve their objectives. Your network is your net worth. Essentially, Sigma males understand that the quality of people and associations they maintain is directly related to their potential for growth and success. If you want to advance in business and life, make sure your connections reflect where you want to go and can help you get there. Number 7. Sigma males are detail-oriented. Someone once said, "The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra." This is frequently the key to a Sigma male's success. Ordinary people are content with simply getting the job done, but the Sigma male demands excellence. It is due to his willingness to put in the extra effort to go the extra mile. It entails staying late after everyone else has gone home to make minor adjustments. It entails being meticulous because they understand the difference between 99% and 100% correct. Critics may scoff and mock Sigma males for being perfectionists, but Sigma males understand that this is where greatness lives. Finally, please don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. Thank you.